So hello everyone, this is part 4 of me building clinic management system. So in the last part we have discussed about the full onboarding flow, and in this part I will show you what I have progressed further. So we have the Navbar, we have Sidebar, and we have the main page, as you can see all of this. And in the Navbar I haven't put much of the things like the clinic name and only the logout button. I will add more of the things later on, like more navbars when I see the requirements of it. Now we have the sidebar, we have lots of menus, and all of these are dumb menus. Right now I'm just moving ahead with the staff only, because I think staff is the most important thing just after onboarding, because any other sidebar menus, appointment, patient, all of them will be using, like, staff will have permissions, roles. So will is the appointment allowed for the staff or not, is the patient period operation allowed for the staff or not. So all of these things would require the staff permission also. So first of all we'll go with the staff only. So we are on the staff. So as you can see on the staff, we have, like, see, this thing I'm building for very small clinic only, not like for big hospitals. So for the small clinic, we don't need to create like roles and then assign permission to it. And when any new staff joins, then we like assign the permission to the staff, assign the role to the staff. So it's not going to be happen in small clinic. In small clinic we have only very few people, like one doctor will be there and two staff max to max. So that role problem is the scaling problem, not the coding problem. That's why, since I'm building for a smaller clinic, I'm just having straightforward, like, you can create a staff, you can invite a staff, and you can directly assign the permission. So let me show you how the permission signing will happen. So if you click on invite staff, so yeah, so when you invite a staff, when any clinic owner invite a staff, so full name, email, phone, designation, and address is there. And just below that we have the permissions which the clinic owner can give to that staff, like create patient view, delete, or whatever wants to give. Now you definitely ask, why don't you create a like reusable permission page and create a role of it, and when any staff joins, then directly apply the role to the staff. So as I've said, this is a problem of like big hospital, not the small clinic. And since this app is right now focused to the small clinic only, so I will just go with this only. Right now just the UI of it is made, and like mental map is made how I have to move further. In the next part I will show you the backend coding structure, because by then I will be done with the models, schema, validators, or whatever the coding things require. So I will share you that how the like backend code is done for this. So we'll meet you in the next video, so stay tuned for the next video.